Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to show off my last painting. I really like the way that this one looks. The gold looks absolutely amazing on it. The colors dried a lot better than I thought they would. I called this one kind of a faux resin piece. It does definitely look like more of a resin painting instead of an acrylic painting. So I'm going to try more like this in the future. I did add, I'm going to try and get close and see if it'll focus on it. Right in these areas, because of how much water I was using, it did crack a little bit. So I am going to take a little bit of my paint and just fill in those areas a little bit. It also cracked a little bit around the gold, but what I did is I just took some more gold and put it in there. Because of the cracks, there's actually a little bit of texture, and I actually really like that. I've never really liked cracks in my pieces before, but I think it gives it a little bit of something extra that I just don't normally try and go for. So I do really like this piece. Like I said, I'll touch it up and then finish it with resin, but the colors are just beautiful. I really like the gold accents. I obviously went a little crazy with the gold, but it did turn out really nicely. So I'm going to try another airbrushed piece today. I'm going to keep it simple with white, blue, and some silver accents. I won't be doing as much as the gold. I want to leave it a little bit more subtle. But I also wanted to share that for the entire month of November, I am running sales on both my Etsy shop and my Fine Art America shop. I have a 15% off coupon code in the video description below for Fine Art America. And then on my Etsy shop, I have all items listed for anywhere from 10% up to 20% off all items. And on Etsy, there's also free shipping on orders over $35. So I'm going to run that for the entire month. So if you want to wait until later in the month to take a look, I currently have a little over 200 items available on Etsy, and I'm going to continue posting more throughout the month. I may run more sales in December, but I'm not sure yet. I want to see how this works out. But if you want to take a look at both of my shops, both Fine Art America and Etsy, I will have those linked in the video description below. So just click on the Show More button and you'll see those links. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching today's video, and we'll get right into it.